Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ghazi Khan Jatoi from BBA 2K17, Sindh University campus Ladkana. My topic is business policy, assignment by Sir Sartaj Ahmed. Containers. Business policy. Overview of business policy objective. Human resource management definition, function, business type, firms, why business. Corporate social responsibility importance. 1. Overview of business policy. Business policy refers to the roles and responsibility of top level management, the succession issues affecting company wide performance and the decision affecting companies in the long run. Company corporate strategy developing and improvement to the goals set by the company. Business policy is a company wide strategy. Corporate strategy is considered primary with answering the question what set business should be company be in and should be. Definition the from business strategy which function and answering the question how build strategy companies advantages in speak business in market. More strategic corporate strategy can be defined we company create why thought and continuous of it is methodology activities. Objectives of business policy integrate the knowledge, the methods learned and previous course having function fields such as production, finance, marketing, accounting, etc. Developing, analyzes skills and decision making capable of participating the explanation use of each research report industry studies promote positive stepping getting their value and healthy ways thinking talking hosting view of the concern of internal is well estimation staging of in organized. 2. Human resource management HRM is the term used discipline farm system device for the management of people which are organizing the responsibility of a human resource manager fell into their major staffing, employees, communication and benefits and designing work essentially etc. The purpose of HRM to be maximum the production of an organization by opportunity the efficiently of the employee that meeting unitedly to change in any function way disciplines are ever increase piece of change the business world is award government organization journal of business strategy the basic mission of humanity will always be to achieve develop and return talent light the workforce with the business and actually controlling to the business those their challenges will never change. Function managerial function includes 1. Planning. One of the primary function where number types of employees need to accounting operational management goals are determined research firms core HRM planning which also helps manager to collect analysis and identify current plus planning, which also help management collect, analyzes, identify current plus future needs which the organization to. Organization of the task. Another important step, task allowed to every member as per their skill and activities and towards a common goal. 3. Directing, thus including acting employees at different level and making them contribute maximum towards organizing goal. Typing maximum protection of a employee weakens motivation and command and prime focus for controlling post planning organization. Performance of a employee is checked, verified and accompanied with goals. It actual performs employees in chased, which implies goals of actual performance is divergent from plan control means are taken. Three business. A business defined or operation in entry in a commercial, industrial or professional activities. Generally, business begin a business concept, the idea and name, dishing or nature of the business. Marketing research may be necessary, determined whether turning the idea into business feasible and if the business driver deliver value consumer. The business name can be the valuable assessed of firm. Careful under function names must be with the state. A business defined the organization or entrepreneurship engage commercial, industrial of professional activities. Types of business. There are three major of business. 1. Service business. A service type of business provide product with no physically firm. Service types firms offer professional skill, expand advantage and other similar product. Example of service business are salons, repair shops, scholars, bankers, accounting firms and law firms. 2. Merchandising business. These types of business buying product as valuable price and sales that some retail price. The now is by sale business, they make profit by selling production price higher than their purchase cost. A machining business sell a product without changing it from. Example, generally store, government store, distribution and other research. Types of business. 3. Manufacturing business. Analytical machining business, manufacturing business buying a product with the interpretation of using them material in making new product. This there is information of a purchase. A manufacturing business combine raw material, labor and overhead cost. It production process the mutual goods and will be sold to customer. Firms of business. These are business firms of business. Owner. 1. Sole proportional. A sole proportion business owned by only person. It is easy set up and the less costly among all forms of including our factor in material, meaning the continuance of business may go after the personal hour if the business connect of the sole partnership from usually internship small business actually to partnership a partner a business owner two or more person who estimation and the material profits the business among these ground promotion practically united labor liabilities limited 3 combination a corporate a business organization that stably legal personal from the owner locker enjoy limited labor but have limited involvement the company board of decision electric group the stakes control the company. We study business activity efforts the daily lives of all people is the work spend save invest travel and play business job income and opportunity of person operation development business has significant efforts not only on the stand of living and quality of life but also in environment which people live at some point the living all student we counter the world of business they performs must be preferred in age business activity with confidence and completely of business function and the role to place our society student should families themselves with the skills they are required the business environment and the impact the skills can have on their one lives and society. 4 corporate social responsibility corporate social responsibility CSR is a self-reliant business that helps a company socially accountable to step scholarship and the public practice corporate social responsibility all called companies can be continuous to the kind of important they having on society including coming social and environment to engage in CSR means that the ordinary course of business a company appointing ways that enhance society and the environment initiatives of controlling decision to them. Corporate social responsibility understand corporate social responsibility CSR corporate social responsibility is a broad concept that can take many forms of the company industry thoughts CSRA are programs functionally valuable efforts business can society while business bank important CSR for of the community it is quickly valuable for company CSR activities can help forgive stock bonds between employee and boost morale and help employees feel more connected with the world around them. Importance CSR are ensures remaining up there for in whether in changing them right protection employment attempting objectively on local national globes level from attractive images both consumer and alike which serve affect bottom lines. Being socially responsibility company can bolster company image and build its brand. Social responsibility implies leveraging corporate resource at their disposal to the gate. From corporate social responsibility program can boost employee morale and lead to greater productivity in the workforce. Important CSR customer matter. Bring socially responsibility policies goes long way towards attractive and retain customer, which assist company long-term success, may including quality from goods knowing to the of will be channeled towards social getting and dear them. Consumer can likely weakness increase foot traffic on the inches will community example. Banks of dispense lends to income, household will work and can business a direct result other key practice. Socially responsibility community trend active employee we are injure make difference to the world. Agile simply collect physically with large companies their strategy number where collective employee efforts achieve summit result which increase work more and boards productively. Thank you so much.